As we gracefully age, our joints and muscles become silent warriors, facing the challenges of mobility. Time often brings unwelcome companion aches, pains, and a sense of restriction. Joint pain, a familiar companion after 50, is a reminder of the delicate dance within, where collagen crumbles under the weight of years. But amidst this intricate ballet, Joint Restore Gummies offer a symphony of rejuvenation. Imagine a harmonious rebuilding of knees and joints from the inside out. These gummies, rich in natural ingredients, beckon towards freedom from the chains of joint and muscle pain. Yet, in the realm of online marketplaces, scammers lurk in the shadows. Only on the official website can you find the true elixir Joint Restore Gummies. A link in the description is your lifeline to authenticity amidst a sea of deceit. The essence of Joint Restore Gummies is the alchemy of natural ingredients countering stiffness, swelling, and inflammation in adults. They're not just a remedy. They're a delectable treat, offering relief from persistent joint aches. And do they work? Oh, indeed. Natural ingredients weave their magic, countering inflammation that attempts to siege your body. Once subdued, aches and pain retreat like defeated soldiers leaving the battlefield. The formula, a breakthrough in science, compels your body to wield its natural healing powers. The benefits echo through the realm of Joint Restore Gummies, a maestro reducing pain, nurturing bone density, and orchestrating a symphony of a healthy inflammatory response. It's a guardian against joint friction, a healer of swelling and redness, a sentinel preventing knee replacement surgeries. But, my friend, this is not a fleeting affair. It's a commitment. Embrace the consistent melody of Joint Restore Gummies and witness the transformation in your joints and knees. Trust in this product, for many have found solace in its embrace. Yet, a word of caution: bring you the wisdom of realism. Each body dances to its unique rhythm, so be patient. And here's a secret whispered in the winds: if, for any reason, you find this elixir not to your liking, fear not, for they shall return your coin. But remember, commitment is the key. Use it daily, let it become a part of your rhythm, and the results will be a sonnet of joint health. Opt for the 3 or 6 bottle discount package, a ticket to a symphony of well-being. And fear not the side effects, for Joint Restore Gummies are crafted under the highest quality standards, a natural potion devoid of harm. In closing, my hope is that this narrative has been a balm to your concerns. Navigate the pathways of online purchase with caution, and let Joint Restore Gummies be your ally in the harmonious dance of joint restoration. Commit, and let the melody of well-being serenade your every step.